Unsupported. That's how head of the Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, Terence Williams, has described suggestions that his agency has contributed to rising crime in Jamaica.
Mr. Williams has shot back at critics by using statistics to counter the argument. He was speaking on Thursday night at a meeting of the Kiwanis Club of Spanish Town.
Details from TVJ's Andrea Chisholm.
Crime is up, and the first thing you hear some people, including some police, saying it's INDECOM fault.
INDECOM boss Terence Williams summarizing the view of some persons as Jamaica struggles to curtail crime. But for him, the arguments are baseless. To back up his claim, Mr. Williams compared Jamaica's murder tally 7 years before and 7 years after the inception of INDECOM. From 2004 to 2010, 7 years before INDECOM, Jamaica recorded 10,811 murders. And 7 years after INDECOM, 2011 to 2017, 8,584 murders were recorded.
So murder has decreased in the 7 years since INDECOM has been operating. So on average, just over 200 persons less or fewer have died every year since the introduction of INDECOM.
In addition, he says statistics show that fewer police personnel are being killed since INDECOM's inception. The INDECOM head also dismissed claims the police are less responsive to criminal activities because their morale is being affected by INDECOM's investigation and charges, saying only a small percentage of INDECOM's investigations ends with charges. He also points to 2014 murder statistics, the lowest recorded in Jamaica for the past 7 years.
1,005 persons were murdered in that year, the same year where INDECOM charged the most police officers ever. On these facts, the claims that INDECOM's existence contributes to the rise in crime in Jamaica and that the police need a free hand to fight crime is not supported.
So what's causing the increase in murders?
The major condition was the failure to effectively address organized crime. Resisting and scapegoating the oversight mechanisms will only delay the needed change and distract from the real causes of crime.
He says community policing will help combat the problem and more should be done to get rid of corruption in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.